Hi, my name is Anne. I invite you to join my tutorial on June 13th on test automation. We will play a game, an adventure game or sort of an adventure game. There's a story, then you will get material to work on, including tasks and hints. Sometimes unexpected events will occur that change the course of action. And of course, you need luck. So there cannot be an adventure without a 20-sided die, but we will also use normal ones. During the game, you will go through the entire process from discovering the product backlog, writing tests, until mapping keywords for test automation. And if you succeed, you will have good regression tests and you find a severe bug. So I hope to see you in Antwerp. Bye bye.